Today we're making these barbecue pulled pork egg rolls. These are so yummy. They're also known as redneck egg rolls. They're delicious. We're gonna stuff them with pulled pork, barbecue sauce, some coleslaw, and they're gonna get a nice dip in ranch. These are absolute perfection. Hi, I'm Tara with Simply Made Eats, and today we're gonna whip up these barbecue pork egg rolls. These are gonna be made with a pulled pork. I smoked a pork butt yesterday for 4th of July. And we had a little bit left over. It was a big pork butt. So today I decided, hey, I need something quick and easy because I'm super tired of hosting. So we are gonna whip up these barbecue pork egg rolls. We're gonna get the filling ready first. This is a really quick and easy recipe and you guys are gonna love it. First, we're gonna get started by just dicing up a half a cup of red onion. I really like how this pairs with the barbecue sauce flavor. It's super yummy. We're also gonna cut up a jalapeno and make sure to take the seeds and the membranes out so it's not too spicy. Then we're gonna start a stainless steel pan over medium heat and cook these in just a little bit of olive oil. Then we're gonna hit it with a little bit of salt just to help it soften. Then you're gonna add in that coleslaw mix. And I like to cover this just to help it cook a little bit faster. And next you're gonna add in that pulled pork. And break it up with a spoon because we do want it in like smaller pieces. And then you're gonna hit this with just a little bit of barbecue sauce. And just cook everything down until it's nice and tender. Okay, so now that we've got our filling ready, we're gonna go ahead and get a cornstarch slurry ready. So this is just 3 tablespoons of water and a teaspoon of cornstarch, and you're just gonna whisk it together until there's no chunks. This is what we're gonna use to get our egg rolls to stick together really well when we fry them. Next, I just transfer the filling into a bowl, and I'm gonna let it cool off for about 10 minutes before we get started rolling up our egg rolls. Okay, so once it cools down, we're just gonna stuff some filling in here. Just like that. And then we're gonna fold. Just roll it up like that, and then just take a little bit of that cornstarch mixture on this flap, and that's gonna help it to stick. Once we get all the egg rolls rolled up, we're gonna go ahead and get our vegetable oil nice and hot, almost like shimmering. You can see how it really sizzles when the egg roll hits the pan. And these are gonna cook super quickly, like about a minute on each side. They crisp up perfectly. Just make sure to keep an eye on them. These look so good. You gotta cut one in half. Check out that filling. These are gonna be so yummy. My husband's home and he gets like really impatient when he can't eat the food. I told him he had to go outside. All right, let's go in for a bite. These are so good. Yum. All right, that's it. We're all done with these barbecue pulled pork egg rolls. These ones are so good. They can be a dinner, an appetizer. They are so good. You're gonna absolutely love this one. Make sure to subscribe so we can keep on cooking together. Let me know in the comments if you make it. I love it when you guys make my recipes. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.